If I told you there's a very simple recipe you can make that can significantly improve your health in a very short time, would you believe it? Ever since I discovered this amazing recipe, I can't imagine my daily routine without it. I can confidently say that in just 21 days, the results were absolutely astonishing. I'm so excited about the transformations I've experienced that I can't help but share them with all of you. All you need are just 3 ingredients, extremely easy to find. You need to consume this recipe every day. What will happen will surely surprise you. In the quest to improve health, there are few natural ingredients with as many well-known and scientifically recognized benefits as turmeric. Have you ever consumed it before? I'd like to get to know you better, so take a quick pause in the video and tell me in the comments, do you consume turmeric? Do you prefer to add it to food, drink it as tea, or take it as a supplement? I'm curious to hear your opinions. Now that we've learned a bit more about you, let me share some turmeric discoveries that few people know about. There are 2 benefits that most people aren't aware of, and I bet you'll be surprised to know them. But there's a problem. Most people consume this spice incorrectly and end up just wasting their money. So, we'll teach you the exact recipe we use to get these benefits, so stay tuned. One notable benefit of turmeric is its ability to improve mood and disposition. This is thanks to the compounds in the plant that have properties similar to certain antidepressants, such as fluoxetine and imipramine. These compounds help inhibit the reuptake of dopamine and noradrenaline, 2 crucial neurotransmitters in mood regulation. In this way, turmeric can assist in the treatment of depression, anxiety, and mood swings. And here's a benefit that surprised me. This mood improvement can help you lose weight, did you know? This change reduces appetite and helps you eat less. The results will show on the scale and in your measurements. Turmeric also has aphrodisiac properties that can enhance well-being, desire, and libido. It is known to improve erectile dysfunction in men and intimate lubrication in women. Were you aware of this? When it comes to women's health, it's essential to highlight the incredible benefits of its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antidepressant properties in relieving the most common symptoms of premenstrual tension. This includes not only irritability, anxiety, headaches, and cramps, but also the uncontrollable craving for sweets. Women who experience these symptoms, try this recipe and see the difference it can make in your lives. You'll love it. What makes turmeric even more astonishing is its ability to treat certain diseases. Many people are unaware that its effectiveness is equal to, or in some cases, even superior to medications found in pharmacies. Turmeric acts in the body by protecting our neurons in the brain, preventing and treating Parkinson's disease. Furthermore, it can also improve motor coordination, common in people affected by this condition. It is also very effective in preventing Alzheimer's disease as it stimulates the production of neurotransmitters that improve memory. Additionally, it has the ability to eliminate harmful toxins from the brain. Turmeric is rich in properties that can help reduce LDL levels, the so-called bad cholesterol, preventing the formation of fat plaques in the arteries. This can prevent the development of serious cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. Furthermore, it plays a crucial role in protecting pancreatic cells and improving insulin production, effectively regulating blood glucose levels, and significantly contributing to diabetes control. Are you experiencing any kind of pain? Turmeric is a miraculous remedy. This is because it can alleviate headaches and joint pain. Curcumin, the active substance in turmeric, also helps prevent allergic diseases such as rhinitis, allergic sinusitis, and asthma. In addition, turmeric aids in the treatment of intestinal problems such as diarrhea and inflammatory bowel diseases like ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease. And finally, the benefit that impressed me the most when I discovered it, cancer treatment and prevention. Turmeric has antioxidants that can help reduce and kill cancer cells in various parts of the body like the skin, intestines, breasts, cervix, prostate, and lungs. Moreover, turmeric can make cancer cells more sensitive to chemotherapy treatment. Incredible, isn't it? Now that you know all the benefits, you certainly want to learn this recipe, don't you? To prepare this beverage, besides turmeric, you'll need a bit of black pepper and water. Just add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of boiling water and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Finally, add a pinch of black pepper. You don't need to add much. Black pepper is necessary because it aids in the absorption of turmeric in the body. Studies indicate that this simple trick can increase the absorption of turmeric by 30 times. But before you rush to make this tea, there's a problem you need to know about. Unfortunately, some manufacturers sell fake, adulterated turmeric with added flowers. This significantly reduces the effectiveness of this spice, but we can help you with that. We've made a video explaining how you can test the purity of the turmeric you have at home using a very simple method. You can do it right now by clicking on the video that's appearing just above.